Benefit number 1. Air purification. Snake plants are like nature's own air filters. They have a unique ability to absorb and remove harmful toxins such as benzene, formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene from the air. These aren't just everyday irritants. They are common byproducts of chemical-based cleaners, paints, and more, which can have long-term health impacts. However, having a snake plant in your space means actively combating these pollutants daily. But that's not all. Snake plants also contribute to your nighttime atmosphere. Unlike most plants, they continue to produce oxygen after dark. Therefore, placing one in your bedroom not only helps you breathe easier while you sleep, but might actually enhance your sleep quality by increasing the oxygen levels around you. And if you're concerned about humidity, snake plants help with that too. They release moisture into the air through a process called transpiration, which can help combat the drying effects of heating systems during the colder months. So, not only does this plant clean the air, but it also adjusts the room's humidity to a more comfortable level. Benefit number 2. Low maintenance. If you're someone who loves plants but doesn't have the time or tends to forget watering now and then, the snake plant is your perfect match. They thrive on neglect and require water only occasionally, making them ideal for busy lifestyles or forgetful gardeners. So, how often do you need to water them? Well, depending on the humidity and light levels, this could be as infrequent as every 2 to 6 weeks. They also don't require frequent fertilizing. A couple of times during the growing season is ample. Therefore, their care routine is incredibly forgiving, especially if you're not used to keeping a strict schedule. Despite their hardy nature, snake plants still perform best when given a little attention. They prefer indirect light and can suffer if left in direct sunlight for too long, which can cause their leaves to scorch. However, this adaptability to less than ideal conditions makes them a versatile choice for almost any indoor setting. Benefit number 3. Stress reduction. Despite their spiky appearance, snake plants can significantly reduce stress. Surrounding yourself with greenery, like the lush, upright leaves of the snake plant, has been scientifically proven to lower stress levels, improve mood, and even enhance productivity. This makes them an excellent choice for both home and office environments. The psychological benefits extend even further. The color green has a calming effect, and the simple act of tending to a plant, even one as low maintenance as the snake plant, can provide a psychological boost by giving you a sense of accomplishment. Therefore, incorporating snake plants into your decor not only beautifies the space, but also creates a more relaxing, serene atmosphere. Moreover, the structured vertical lines of the snake plant can add an element of architectural design to your space. They can be used as natural dividers in an open-plan area or to enhance the privacy of your workspace. Even their presence can transform an ordinary room into a more organized, tranquil environment. Benefit number 4. Allergen reduction. These sturdy plants are excellent at trapping allergens and dust on their surface, which helps to purify the air you breathe. So, for those who suffer from allergies, a snake plant might be a natural remedy worth considering. But how exactly does this work? The snake plant's leaves have a slight stickiness to them, which can capture particulate matter from the air. Therefore, not only are you getting less airborne dust, but you're also likely to experience fewer allergy symptoms while indoors. Despite this benefit, it's essential to keep the leaves clean. A quick wipe down with a damp cloth every few weeks ensures they can perform at their best. This simple maintenance step can make a significant impact on the air quality of your home and support your respiratory health. Benefit number 5. Natural humidity booster. Another impressive feature of the snake plant is its ability to act as a natural humidity booster. In environments where air can become too dry, particularly in heated indoor areas during winter, snake plants can release moisture into the air through their leaves. This process, known as transpiration, helps maintain a balance in indoor humidity levels, which is beneficial for both human health and the health of other indoor plants. Although this might seem like a small contribution, It can be significant in enclosed spaces where air tends to be dry. The increased humidity can help alleviate dry skin, sore throats, and even sinus headaches. After that, you may find that you feel more comfortable in your home with a snake plant quietly working its magic. Even more, by naturally adjusting the air moisture, snake plants can save you the cost and space of an electric humidifier. This is especially useful in smaller apartments or spaces where every square foot counts, making it an economical and effective way to enhance indoor air quality. Benefit number 6. Easy propagation. Let's not overlook the ease of propagation that comes with snake plants. If you've ever wanted to multiply your indoor garden without spending extra money, snake plants provide an excellent opportunity. They can be propagated from a single leaf cutting, which means you can grow several more plants from the one you already own. To propagate, simply cut a healthy leaf near the base, let the cut end callus over for a day or two to prevent rot, and then plant it in soil. After that, with just a bit of patience and minimal care, you'll see new growth emerging from the soil. This makes it not only cost-effective, but also a fun project. Although propagation is straightforward, it's important to remember that the new plants will retain the same qualities as their parent, including their air-purifying and low-maintenance characteristics. Therefore, you can extend these benefits throughout your home, or even share them with friends and family, spreading the wellness and aesthetic appeal of snake plants far and wide. Benefit number 7. Aesthetic appeal. Snake plants bring a modern and sleek look to any space, whether it's your home or office. Their upright, sword-like leaves come in a variety of patterns and colors, ranging from light green to dark green, with some having yellow or white edging. This variety ensures that no matter your decor style, there's a snake plant that can complement it. Despite their simple structure, snake plants make a bold statement. They can be used as standalone pieces in minimalist settings or grouped with other plants for a more lush, vibrant corner. Therefore, they are not just functional, they're also incredibly stylish and can enhance any room's visual interest. Moreover, their vertical growth pattern makes them ideal for small spaces. They grow upwards rather than outwards, which means they occupy less horizontal space. This is especially beneficial in apartments or homes where floor space is a premium, allowing you to enjoy greenery without sacrificing square footage. Benefit number 8. Pest resistance. Another great benefit of the snake plant is its resistance to pests. Compared to other houseplants, snake plants are less prone to problems like spider mites, gnats, and mealybugs. This resilience is due to their tough, leathery leaves, which are less appealing to common pests. However, it's still important to practice good plant hygiene to keep your snake plants healthy. Regularly checking the leaves for any signs of distress and keeping the soil properly dry between waterings can help prevent any pest invasions. Even though snake plants are tough, they're not invincible, so a little preventive care goes a long way. Moreover, their pest-resistant nature makes them an excellent choice for gardeners who want to enjoy their plants without the hassle of frequent treatments. This can save you time and effort in maintenance, making your gardening experience more enjoyable and less frustrating. Benefit number 9. Non-toxic to pets. Next, let's talk about safety, particularly for pet owners. Snake plants are generally considered non-toxic to both dogs and cats, which makes them a safe choice for households with furry friends. Although they can cause mild irritation if ingested in large amounts, they are far less hazardous compared to other common indoor plants. Therefore, you can place them within reach of pets without too much worry. However, it's always best to keep an eye on your pets and teach them not to chew on any plants, as a precaution. After that, you and your pets can enjoy the beauty and benefits of snake plants without any concern. Even more, the hardiness of snake plants means they can withstand a little curiosity from pets, like a casual nibble or a swat, without taking much damage. This durability ensures that your plants stay beautiful and your pets stay safe, making them an ideal choice for a harmonious home environment. Benefit number 10. Improves mental focus. It's fascinating to consider that the presence of snake plants in your work or study environment can actually help improve your cognitive functions. The clean air that they help maintain contributes to clearer thinking and better focus. Studies have shown that indoor plants can reduce fatigue and stress, thereby enhancing productivity and improving overall well-being. Therefore, by simply placing a snake plant near your workspace, you might find that your concentration improves and tasks that require attention to detail become easier. Moreover, the psychological effect of being surrounded by greenery can't be underestimated. Plants inherently make us feel more relaxed and comfortable, which can be particularly beneficial during stressful workdays or intense study sessions. Even more, the visual appeal of snake plants can serve as a mild distraction that allows short mental breaks, helping to reset your focus and boost efficiency.